I'm on a little bit of a craze to find everything using these AirTags. So I'm going to hook something up for my keys, but I don't have anything to hook on. So a simple solution would be the AirTag, but I wanted the leather keyring. So I had to buy this on eBay because it's no longer available. They use some type of other material now because they've gone away from leather. I don't know what they think is going to happen to all the cows. And I guess they've stopped eating meat, but we'll find out. So you can still get them new on eBay. I ordered another one, a red one, because that's harder, much harder to find. I guess it was really popular. They do have the red in whatever that new material is they're using. But let's do a quick unboxing. Hopefully this is not long. But I'm still a fan of leather. The cows have to do something. Oops, sorry. And feels like leather. And then this comes up. Got a little magnet. Oh, it's not even a magnet. It's a push thing. It's got a little push thing there where you push it in. So it's not even a magnet. It's a push. Oh, how neat. That's high quality. Wow. That's definitely high quality there. Without question, that's high quality. Okay, so it's got a little push thing there. I didn't know that it had this push thing. I thought it was just a little magnet, but it pushes inside. That's pretty high quality. I think the new one has the same configuration, it's just not leather. But that is definitely high quality compared to some of the other things I've seen. And easy to get in, easy to get off. Wow, that's nice. That's really nice. Wow. And to do that with leather, that's not easy. So let's get this thing inside there. And, oh wow. And the fit is perfect. Wow, look at that. That is nice. And stainless steel here. That is really nice. Wow, that's really nice. I mean, I can't stop complimenting this. This was actually worth it. I would definitely think somebody should buy this because I was worried that this wouldn't stay put, but you look, I'm so impressed by that. I'm into this wallet thing now, so I'm paying a lot more attention. And I'll attach it to this, and then if I ever travel, I'll just clip it inside my luggage also, so it becomes a little Find My inside the luggage. So it got dual use. I don't have to buy it again because I was having a lot of trouble finding a holder for the AirTag for luggage tags. Although I was having a little trouble finding a luggage tag that will hold the AirTag. But this is nice. And I mean, it's just like a lot of Apple products. The finish is really, really good. They put a lot of attention to the detail. You could see a lot of attention was paid to the detail. It's only sewing 3/4 of the ways. I mean, very, very impressive. This is especially impressive, this part, because it's definitely going to hold it in there. I was worried about that. It's definitely going to hold it in there. So that's very impressive. I am impressed. Okay, hopefully this helps you. I would definitely buy one of these again. Only reason I bought it from eBay is because of the leather. If you can still find the leather, it'll be around new for a while, and then used, I think it'll eventually go away, the OEM leather. Okay, like and subscribe.